Cats have a reputation for being aloof and elusive. But when it comes to their human owners, they often show affection by seeking out our company and instigating snuggles and play. So can cats make friends with other cats or animals? Studies suggest there is a complex recipe for feline friendships. For indoor-only cats, studies have shown that they can form strong bonds if they have been introduced to one another at a young age, are related, or have lived together for a long time. However, for cats who have been fixed, male-male pairs show the strongest bond. Studies also show that two cats are more likely to fight within a household if they are allowed outside. This is likely due to bringing in unfamiliar scents. So what's the best predictor of a positive long-term relationship between cats? It's how the cats were first introduced. Early exposure and slow introductions are key. And yes, cats can bond with other animals, such as dogs. Indoor cats are more likely to forge strong bonds with dogs than cats that go outside, where they likely encounter other dogs that are not friendly. If you want to introduce a new animal to your household where a cat already lives, go slow and supervise early meetings. And make sure your house has plenty of safe spaces, toys, scratching posts, and separate food and litter areas in a quiet spot. So while cats can form other friendships, they aren't necessary, and remember that their number one bond is with you.